the data you have in VBUK, that will update in VBAK if it is sales document. Item status will update in VBAP. And when it comes to delivery, header status will update in LIKP. Item status information will update in LIPS. And for billing, header status will update in VBRK. Okay. Next, uh, access number, field length in access sequence, access field length in access sequence. It has been increased to 8 digits. Sorry, has been increased to 3 digits. 3 digits. Take this access number field length in access sequence has been increased to 3 digits. Access number field length in access sequence has been increased to 3 digits. You can see this. So if you go to access sequence, uh, here this number, access number, the length has been increased to 3 digits. Earlier we have only 2 digits. Now you can have access number up to 3 digits. Okay. The access number field length in access sequence has been increased to 3 digits. Next, so if you see previous example, SC69 VBAK, if you go and check, you will have information created on. See here, billing document status, confirmation status, credit status, rejection status. So all this information you have in VBAK. Now you will have this in VBAK table only. Okay. So all the status in overall delivery status, reference status. Okay. So all the status information you will have in VBAK. And if you see VBUP, see overall reference status, delivery status like that. You can see here picking status. Next, second one is this. Access number field length in access sequence has been increased to 3 digits. Next, Pricing formula length, so pricing formula length has been increased to 7 digits. Pricing formula length has been increased to 7 digits. Bracket calculation type and base type. Pricing formula length has been increased to 7 digits. So this just information purpose. If in the interview they ask what is the change in pricing formula in S4HANA, just for interview purpose. Okay. Next, group condition routine length has been increased to 7 digits. Group condition routine. In condition type controls, we have group condition routine. So that length is increased to 7 digits. Next, pricing requirement length has been increased to 7 digits. Pricing requirement length has been increased to 7 digits. The new pricing table is PRCD underscore elements. The new pricing table is what? PRCD underscore elements. The new pricing table is PRCD underscore elements. The new pricing table is what? PRCD underscore elements. User defined condition table number is almost double. Is the voice clear? Any
Yes, sir.
background noise?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Clear, clear. No
Yes, sir.
background noise.
Okay.
Sir, vehicle noise is coming, sir.
Sorry,
Vehicle noise is coming from background.
but others they are saying okay.
Okay, sir.
Check from your side. Okay. Others, is it okay? Any background noise? Others?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
no,
sir.
sir.
No problem.
Okay. So user defined condition table number is almost double. So in ACC 5012999 user defined table number in ACC. So in S4HANA 5012999, along with that we can use like this uh, 9AA uh, to 9AV, means 9AA, 9AB, 9AC, 9AD, up to 9AV. So 9 BA to 9 BV, like that, 9 VA to 9 VB. Okay. So total how many? A to V. So here
24.
22 into 22, 22 into 22, how much?
484.
484 tables you can have here in Esperana. Okay. So extra, these are extra. So you can create table like this in Esperana. If you go to v/03, I can mention the table 9AA. Okay. Up to 9AV, 9AW, it will not accept. Okay. 9AA to 9AV. So 9BA to 9BV, 9VA to up to 9VV. So we can use 484 extra tables, user defined tables here. Okay. So here you have extra almost double, means extra 484 tables. Okay. Take like this.
Sir, system automatically generate the table, no, sir? Earlier.
Yes, yes. Now
Otherwise,
also
you
up to
have,
999 it will generate. After 999 you can have this extra, but you have to give manual.
if the same table somebody has given, sir, then name
Then
somebody has
it will
used.
inform you. It will inform you.
Okay, sir.
If 9AA is someone used, if you try to give 9AA, system will inform you table already exists like.
Sir, we have to give manually after 999.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Not only after 999, you can give before, you can give, if you give manually, it will take that 9AA or
Okay, sir.
9AB.
Okay, sir.
But after 999, if you already use up to 999, then if you want any extra tables, then you have to give like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the use above 5, 6 and 7 points? The length is increased, right? To 7 digits. And what is the use, sir, actually, if we increase the length?
So earlier we have same restrictions,
Okay.
900 to 999 formulas. But some clients, if they want more number of formulas, then we don't have that. Uh, Earlier, user-defined formula number is what? 900 to 990, above 900 to 999, user-defined. So we have only gap of 99. But now
Okay.
they increased to 7 digits. You can have more than 999 also the formula numbers. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Same. The usage is we have restrictions earlier, but now there is no restriction. You can have more number of tables. You can have more number of formulas. User defined. Okay.
Sir, is
Next.
a group, sir, group condition length has increased to 7. We used to use 1 or 7, no, sir. 1 and 3, no, sir.
Yes, yes.
But what is the
But
seven digit?
group condition routine, you can have your own formulas also there. So that is also formula. If I increase formula, that means it applies to all requirement, calculation type, base type, group condition. That is also formula. If SAP increase formula means it will applicable to all these. All these are formulas only. Means routines, pricing routines. So they increase the length of pricing routine, so which is applicable to all these pricing requirement, group condition routine, calculation type, base type. All these comes under into same category. Okay. So user defined condition table number is almost double here. Next, document pricing procedure.
Sir,
Yes.
what is that 22 into 22?
Uh, 9AA to 9AV, how many in between?
Okay.
22. So like that, you can use up to 9VA to 9VB, again 22. 22 into 22, you can have extra 484 tables, user defined tables here.
Thank you.
Okay. So A to V, it is 22. Like that, here also, A to V 22 into 22, 484 extra tables you can create, user defined. But earlier we have only 501 to 999. Uh, but sometimes some clients we face problem that tables are over. Okay. Now you have extra 484. Document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure length has been increased to 2 digits. Document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure length has been increased to 2 digits. Earlier only 1 digit, but now it has been increased to 2 digits. Okay. So if you go and check BP, so in BP we have customer pricing procedure. What is the length? Now it is 2 digits. See, now you can have 01, 02 like 2 digits. Earlier in ECC it was only 1 digit customer pricing procedure. Okay. Same document pricing procedure.
But sir, is there any benefit like for increasing of these digits like 1 to 2 in real
Yes,
time?
yes. So in real time, some clients they have multiple pricing procedures for different customers. They have different pricing procedures. But earlier we have restriction only 1 to 9. Some customers you mention one, some customers you mention two. Customer pricing procedure. For that you can determine different pricing procedure. But maximum you can determine 9 pricing procedures for different customers. But now means earlier, but now you have 2 digit more than you can have more. There is no restriction here.
So, sir, it would be
Vivo
like
V8, go to OR. Here also it has been increased to 2 digits. Document pricing procedure also. Now the length is 2 digits. Okay. Okay. Next, SD document category length has been increased to 4 digits. SD document category length has been increased to 4 digits. Material master length has been increased to 40 digits. Material master length has been increased to 40 digits, 40. Material master length earlier in ECC 18 digits maximum. Now it has been increased to 40 digits, 40. So uh, tables MKPF MSEG, which is material master related, sorry, material document related. Uh, tables MKPF MSEG data is also stored in Mad Dog table. It's a new table. MKPF MSEG data. This is not related to SD, but this is one table, a new table. Here you have maximum information related to material and its stock related information. So if you want any report related to material or stocks, you can refer to this single table. MKPF MSEC data is also stored in MadDoc table. Go and check MadDoc. So this is MadDoc table, material documents information. Here I'll just show you one thing. If you go to technical settings, you can see here it is column based table. Okay. So column-based table, we use this for reporting purpose. So column-based table will help to fetch the data or get the data easily. Okay. So it's a column-based table, MatDoc. So reporting purpose, it will be easy for you to get the data. So MKPF, MSEG tables uh, in ECC, whatever the data you have in that MKPF, MSEG, that will also update in MadDoc, which is column-based table. And whenever we want any report related to material or stocks or inventory related, so we can use this table, single table for total information. Next, BK tables, BKPF, BSEC data will also be stored in ACDOCA table. It is also new table. ACDOCA. Go to technical settings, DB specific. It is also column based table. Okay. So all your accounting related, revenue accounting or whatever the accounting related data will also be stored in ACDOCA table. Okay. Anything, any report related to accounting, FI accounting related, you can get the information from this table. Next, P code FD32 is eliminated. Now there is no FD32. Now in BP only we maintain credit limits, business partner. Now there is no FD32 T code. Customer master creation, create display, change vendor master T codes eliminated. Customer master T codes and vendor master T codes. Okay. So what are the T codes that we'll discuss next? Means when we start the subject. So we have so many T codes for customer master and vendor master. All those has been eliminated. Now we have single T code for all, that is BP. Okay. Customer master T codes and vendor master T codes are eliminated. Customers and vendors has been changed to BP. MRP live is introduced. What is the T code to run MRP? Now it is
MD01.
MD MD01N,
Now, now it is MD01.
MD01N, which is MRP live. Okay. So normal MD01 or MD02. Now it is MD01N, which is MRP live. You can execute this T code live. Okay. Earlier we have to run this in the background, but now you can do MRP live. Okay. Next, MRP live is introduced. MD01N. Credit management, this we already discussed, just take it. Credit management concept uh, has been moved to FSCM with additional functionalities. Credit management concept has been moved to FSCM with additional functionalities. FSCM means finance, supply chain management, credit management concept has been moved to FSCM with additional functionalities. FSCM means what? Finance, supply chain management, rebate management is replaced with settlement management. Rebate management is replaced with settlement management.
Settlement
Introduce,
management concept.
sorry,
Sir, settlement management concept will use in all projects or like some specific projects, whatever project is
uh, not mandatory that every client should have this. Some clients will have this rebate concept, rebate process. There we use settlement management. So, like credit management, it is not mandatory that every client should have this. So, if client is having that requirement, then we configure this settlement management.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce BRF output. Introduce BRF output. BRF means business rule framework. Business rule framework. Introduce advanced ATP concept. Oh, so these are the SD delta changes. Next,
So, so group condition routine has been increased to 7 digits, right? So, what is the major advantage? Sir, earlier we have 0103
no,
group
no.
of integer and
Actually, they increase the formula length. So formula means
mm-hmm.
it applies to group condition routine also. But there is no advantage here, especially for group condition routine. So formula, group condition routine, all these comes under same category. If they increase formula length, it applies to group condition routine also. So I just mentioned that. Calculation type, base type, pricing requirement, group condition, all these comes under same category. If I increase one, uh, that means it applies to all these four. So I mentioned specific means I divided all these. So, but the main purpose is they want to increase the length of the formulas, pricing formulas. So same applies to group condition routine also because it applies to same category. Okay. So these are the changes. Next,
So one quick question, sir.
yes.
So printing all this table into few of the tables and making changes into the fields, does that going to affect the performance of the system?
Field length.
And printing all these tables into few tables like MacDoc and all those things, is it going to affect the performance of the system?
So especially MADDoc and ACDOC here, this is for reporting. Reporting will be faster. So earlier, if you want any accounting related reports, so you have to refer to multiple tables, which will take more time. But now you can refer only one table for any accounting related ACDOCA. So material related, you can refer to MatDoc for reporting purpose. So reporting will be faster with these new tables.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take this business partner.
So what is the last point, sir?
Last point, introduced advanced ATP.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Introduced advanced ATP concept.
Can you
Okay.
just scroll up? Can you show the initial 5 points, please? Thank you.
Sir, little scroll down, sir. Last one, sir.
Are any T code for settlement management, sir?
Yeah, we have T codes to create contract, WCOC, but that we discuss later.
Yeah,
WCOCO.
yeah, okay.
We have T code for settlement, WP2R underscore SC. We have T code to see the settlement document, WZR2. Like that, but that I'm not mentioning that, which we discuss in the process. Over.
Yes, sir.
Take this BP business partner bracket BP. In ECC, the customer master, vendor master. In ECC, the customer master, vendor master. Take the notes. In ECC, the customer master, vendor master, contact person. In ECC, the customer master, vendor master, contact person, and credit master has been converted to BP, has been converted to BP in S4HANA system, has been converted to BP in S4HANA system.
So can you repeat once, sir?
In ECC, the customer master, vendor master, contact person, and credit master has been converted to BP in S4HANA system. In
After
ECC,
contact
the
person.
customer master, vendor master, contact person, and credit master.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Credit master has been converted to BP in S4HANA system. So if you see ECC, the direction is customer to BP, uh, vendor to BP. So if you see S4HANA, The direction is BP to customer, BP to vendor. So here ECC, what we do, we have customers and vendors, we migrate it to BP. If you see S4HANA, we create BP in the back end. Uh, System will create, one second, BP to customer, BP to vendor. Okay. So ECC, we have existing customers, vendors, we migrate it to, we convert it to BP. But in S4HANA, we create BP in the backend, system creates customer. In the backend, system will create customer, vendor, like that. So there we call direction BP to customer, BP to vendor in S4HANA. In ACC, we call direction as customer to BP or vendor to BP. So what is the T code to create BP? Same BP, the T code to create business partner is BP. Oh, take this advantages of business partner. Advantages of business partner. We have XD01, XD02, XD03, FD01, FD02, FD03, VD01, VD02, VD03. Then VD04, VD05, VD06, XD04, XD0. Like there are so many T codes. Now here for everything only one T code. Single T code to create, change, display, not only customer, vendor also. So we have single T code here. So take this single T code to create, change, and display, that is BP. See, some business uh, customer will is also vendor, but earlier we don't have that. Now same BP you can use it as customer as well as vendor. We have BP roles. With the help of BP roles, same BP you can create as customer and vendor. So same business partner you can use as customer and you can use as vendor. Same BP, same business partner we can use as customer and you can also use as vendor. Because some clients they have this requirement, customer is also vendor. In that case, earlier we don't have the link, but now same by business partner you can use as customer and vendor. Take this same business partner can be used as customer and vendor. Okay. We have BP roles. We'll see later. With the help of BP roles, we can differentiate. We can create twice same business partner as customer and vendor. Same business partner can be used as customer and vendor. General data will be shared. General data means mainly address. General data will be shared with multiple BP roles. General data will be shared with multiple BP roles. So we have BP roles here. We'll discuss next. BP roles will tell you whether this is customer master or vendor master or contact person or credit master. So that differentiation we do with the help of BP roles. So same business partner you can create as customer and you can create as vendor and you can have same address can be shared with multiple BP roles. So general data will be shared with multiple BP roles. Suppose if you see BP roles, uh, customer FI BP role, just for information purpose. Anyway, we'll see when we start configurations, we'll see BP roles and we define our own FLCU00 standard, customer SD, FLCU01. Customer FI means you will get general data and company code data. Customer SD means you will get general data and sales area data. So vendor FI BP role is FLVN00 standard. Vendor purchase FLVN01. Next, so here we have time dependency, means you can have validity periods for time dependency, for BP roles, address, bank data, contact person, like that. You can have time dependency for these parameters. Okay. Address you can maintain multiple address. Last year address was so and so. Now this year address change. Now you can create one more address and you can mention validity period. And next year if address changes again you can create one more address. But you have total history. Last year what was the address? This year what was the address? Next year, like that. So you can have validity periods. Not only address, bank data. Last year, what was the bank information? This year, what was the bank? What is the bank information? Like that. Contact person, BP roles, like that. So you can have time dependency for these parameters, BP roles. Time dependency means you can maintain validity periods. Okay. Time dependency for BP roles.
Hello, sir. How many roles we can assign to BP?
There's no such restriction. Now, if you see 1 BP, you can have FLCU00, you can have FLCU01, you can have UKM 000, Credit Master, same BP. And if the BP is also vendor, then you can have FLN, FLVN00, FLVN01 like
Sir, can we have a different address for customer as well as vendor? Like we can maintain different address for different role, or it's only one address for the.
that. So if you want, you can maintain same address anyway, but that is by default. But if you want to maintain different address, so you can maintain different address also
Sir,
for
here
vendor role.
it is understood that the BP role code will differentiate the BP. Is it right, sir?
BP,
BP role code, that is FLCU 00.
yes, that will differentiate the BP whether it is a customer or vendor like that.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
BP role
Now it is clear.
differentiates.
Yeah, thank
Okay.
you.
Next, take this. T codes eliminated related to customer master. T codes eliminated related to customer master. FD01, FD02, FD03, FD05, FD06, then VD01, VD02, VD03, VD05, VD06, then XD01, XD02, XD03, XD05, XD06, XD07, uh, VAP1, VAP2, VAP3, contact person. Okay. Next, T codes eliminated related to vendor master FK01, FK02, FK03, FK05, FK06, FK08, MK01, MK02, MK03, MK05, MK06, MK12, MK18, MK19, XK01, XK02, XK03, XK05, XK06, XK07. Okay. Then MAP1 means vendor contact person. MAP1 create, MAP2 change, MAP. This is contact person related. Okay.
Sir, in third column, you have written XD01. I think it is SK0. Here, sir,
Sorry.
below.
XK01, XK02. Okay. So there is no change in customer master tables. What are the tables we have in customer master, vendor master? There is no change in regular our normal tables related to customer master. We have all these tables. Okay. So no change in customer master tables and vendor master tables. There is no change. Means we have customer master, general data, what is the table? KNA1, company code data, KNB1, KNVV, KNVP, KNV. All these tables are available here also in S4HANA. And here we have an extra table for BP. Make a note. The new table for BP, the new table for BP in S4HANA. BUT 000. This is a new table for BP in S4HANA. BUT 000. The new table for BP in S4HANA. BUT 000. Customer and BP link table. Customer and BP link table. CVI underscore cust underscore link CV customer and BP link table. So when you migrate customers to BP, uh, if you want both the same number, customer and BP, or sometimes different number. Now, if you want to see the link, so this is the table. Just take the table names. We discuss later how to check the links and all. Vendor and BP link table. CVI underscore VEND underscore CVI underscore VEND underscore link. Okay. Customer contact person link table. CVI underscore cust underscore CT underscore link. Customer contact person link table. Vendor contact person link table. CVI underscore VEND underscore CT underscore link. Up. So here take this BP approach. BP approach. See, before starting migration project, we have to take this confirmation from client before starting migration project. We have to take the confirmation from core users on BP approach because now in S4HANA we have to convert all customers to BP. Now BP approach is important here. Now first one is customer number is equal to BP number, vendor number not equal to BP number. This is first approach. Now generally clients will go for this. Now any business you have more number of customers than vendors, so they will ask customer number is equal to BP number. Okay. And vendor number, if you want customer number equal to BP number, then vendor number not equal to BP number. So this scenario, most of the clients will go for this BP approach. Customer number, they want same customer number as BP number. whatever the customer numbers they have in ECC. So when you migrate it to BP, they want same number for customers. And vendor, you need to go for different number. This is first approach. But some clients, vendors are most important than customers. Some clients, vendors are most important than customers. They have more number of vendors than customers, so they may go for this approach. Customer number not equal to BP number, but vendor number equal to BP number. Like so, but 95% of the clients they go for first approach only, because customers are more important than vendors and they have more number of customers. They have limited vendors but customers will be more, so they go for first approach. So we have to take this confirmation from client before starting migration configurations. We have to take this confirmation from client BP approach. Okay. So we go for this initially, this approach. Customer number is equal to BP number, vendor number not equal to BP number. No.
Sir,
So
in real
we
time,
start
both are one approach, sir.
anyone, they go for anyone.
Okay.
So next week, system will be ready. We start the migration. Means first we'll see uh, basic data in ECC system. I'll show you first what basic data we require. So I'll do in system. Same you have to do. System is same for a classroom system, and what you practice is same. So you have to do the same in your system. Everyone has to do your own enterprise structure, your own account groups, your own customers. You have to create your own customers, materials, credit master, uh, we have whatever the data is required, so that we discuss first. Starting, we don't do directly the concept. First, prerequisites, what are the prerequisites required for this migration, what data you require in your system. uh, so that we discuss first. Enterprise structure, anyway we require that, then account groups, then we should have our own customers. We create some 20-30 customers because we have to migrate it to BP. Then material master, condition master, credit master. Then we create some transactions, and we create some orders for which credit block exists. Means customer's credit limit exceeds, so it will block the order for credit, like that. So I'll tell you all the scenarios. So same you have to practice initially, then we go for actual configurations. So first is basic data or prerequisites for migration project, the data which is required. So you have to do that in your system. Then we start migration configurations. Okay. By next Saturday, system will be ready. If it is ready, before that we'll inform you. You take the server access.
Sir,
Uh,
um,
you have to take ECC server. You cannot do in your ECC server, because here, whatever the configuration, whatever we do, basis team has to migrate that server to S4HANA. They do technical migration. So here you have to practice in our ECC system. You have to take it from here, ECC. Yes.
sir, actually, in the row number 5, where you mentioned like T code eliminated in customer master, it has mentioned VD01 T codes. Sir, is it, it should, whether it should be XK01 or it is fine that VD01 only?
VD01 means create sales data. FD01 means create company code data. XD01 means complete. Complete means you will get general data, company code data, sales area data. If you use FD01, you will get only company code data. You don't get sales area data. If you want, cross check that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So next week
Sir,
we'll continue this with the system. We do it in system. Thank you, everyone. Next
Sir,
week
could
we'll
you please,
continue.
sir, could you please
Yes.
approach that BP approach? Could you please go down? Here, initially the BP approach, okay, where the customer number which is equals to BP number, the vendor number not equal or equal, equal to BP
Not
number.
equal. Not equal.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
Okay.
prior to next class, next week only we have to take this server, na, sir. They will
If
inform
it
us.
is ready, we'll inform you. You can take the server, but next week Saturday only you take, because I'll tell you how to start that.
Okay.
Better you take Saturday only. Okay.
Anyhow, they
By
have created
Saturday
the
you
proof.
take the servers. After class you can do practice. You can start the practice after Saturday class.
Anyhow, they will inform in the group, no, sir. They created a group, batch 20.
Yes, yes, yes. They'll inform you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Next
regarding the
week.
deep